Okay, number 8. In a recent study, doctors recruited 800 children with the flu who were volunteered by their parents to try a new flu medication. The children were randomly divided into 2 groups. Half of them received the medication and the other half received a placebo. Several months later, doctors found that the children who received the medication experienced flu symptoms for an average of 4 days, while children who did not receive the medication experienced flu symptoms for an average of 8 days. Can we draw conclusions about the general population? We need to look at the way the study was set up and look specifically for how they selected people to participate. It says in the first sentence that doctors recruited 800 children who were volunteered by their parents. That means that this was not a random selection, they were volunteers. In that case, we cannot draw conclusions about the general population because they used volunteers. Now, the second question, can we draw any conclusions about cause and effect? In order to be able to draw conclusions on cause and effect, the study must randomly divide the people into 2 groups to have half receive the medication and half not. So here it says the children were randomly divided into 2 groups, and in that case we can say yes, there is a cause and effect relationship because they randomly divided them. State the conclusions that can be drawn from this study. So here we saw that medication caused, we can say yes, that it did cause a reduction in the length of the flu, but we cannot apply it to the general population. This is only true for those that were in the study, not everyone in the general population.